Why you're always tired, even after 8 hours of sleep. You go to bed early, you set your alarm for roughly 8 hours later, you should wake up refreshed, but instead, you drag yourself out of bed feeling like you got hit by a truck. This isn't just you. Many people, even those who consistently sleep 7-9 hours a night, report waking up groggy, unfocused, or exhausted despite hitting their sleep quota. In fact, nearly 40% of people who meet recommended sleep durations still feel tired during the day. So what's really going on? It turns out sleep quality, internal biology, lifestyle factors, and even underlying health conditions play massive roles in how rested you actually feel. Let's break it down. 1. Sleep quality matters more than sleep duration. Most people think, enough sleep, feeling rested. But that's an oversimplification. Sleep isn't a single uniform state, it cycles through stages. Light sleep, deep sleep, restorative body and immune repair. REM sleep, brain and emotional processing. If your night is full of interruptions, or you never really hit deep or REM sleep, your body never completes these critical restorative processes. Invisible awakenings caused by stress, noise, body discomfort, or fragmented breathing can mean you're technically asleep, but not truly restorative. Dosi kans, operpunten, nekrban, ofrendis endur, fine. Undiagnosed sleep disorders can steal your energy. Many people wake up tired not because they didn't sleep long enough, but because their sleep was repeatedly interrupted without awareness. Conditions such as obstructive sleep apnea, breathing pauses that briefly wake you many times per night. Restless legs syndrome, twitching that disrupts restful sleep. Insomnia disorders, difficulty staying asleep. These conditions can drastically reduce sleep quality while you think you're getting enough rest. Between 5 to 10% of people may have sleep apnea without knowing it. If you snore, gasp for air, or wake feeling unrefreshed, a sleep assessment may be worth exploring. 3. Your circadian rhythm is your internal clock. Our bodies run on a roughly 24-hour cycle called the circadian rhythm, a biological clock that tells you when to sleep and when to be alert. When your sleep schedule doesn't align with your internal clock, such as clock bind, sleeping at irregular times, staying up late on weekends, working shifts, mapbind, traveling across time zones, masidrind, it disrupts that rhythm and leaves you exhausted even after 8 hours. Regular bed and wake times help synchronize your circadian rhythm and improve how rested you feel. 4. Stress and mental load alter sleep quality. Feeling physically asleep doesn't always mean your brain is at rest. High stress or anxiety keeps your nervous system in a half-alert state, elevating cortisol, the stress hormone. This reduces deep restorative sleep, even if you don't wake up consciously. That means sleep may occur, but it's not as effective at repairing your body and recharging your brain. 5. Hormones, nutrition, and health conditions matter too. There are other biological reasons you may feel tired despite sleep. Thyroid imbalance, like hypothyroidism, slows metabolism and causes sluggishness. Nutrient deficiencies, especially iron, B12, vitamin D, impair energy production. Blood sugar dysregulation can trigger hormonal responses during sleep that break up rest and leave you fatigued. Even if you sleep well at night, these conditions can create fatigue deep in your body's systems. Six. Lifestyle habits can sabotage sleep quality. Even simple habits can subtly reduce how restorative your sleep is. Blue light exposure. Smartphones, TVs, and computers emit blue light that suppresses melatonin, the hormone that helps you fall and stay asleep. Caffeine or alcohol. Too close to bedtime. Caffeine can keep your nervous system active for up to 8 hours. Alcohol may help you fall asleep, but actually fragments your rest. Poor sleep environment. Too much light, noise, or an uncomfortable mattress can keep your brain from reaching deep stages of sleep. 7. Inconsistent sleep patterns build sleep debt. You can owe your body sleep without knowing it. Even if you get 8 hours tonight, if your body has accumulated a sleep debt over days or weeks, from poor sleep quality, inconsistent hours, or stress, you'll still feel tired. That's why even a night of good sleep doesn't automatically erase exhaustion. What you can do today. Here are practical steps for better restorative sleep, not just more hours. Keep consistent sleep and wake times. Turn off screens 60 minutes before bed. Optimize your bedroom for darkness and quiet. Avoid caffeine in the afternoon and alcohol at night. Check in with your doctor about stress, hormones, or nutrient deficiencies. Consider a sleep study if symptoms persist. Sleep isn't just about hours, it's about how deeply and effectively your body and brain repair, restore, and reset. And when you understand that distinction, tired mornings start to make sense and become something you can change.